Alright, let's be real. Ever seen those traders on YouTube or Twitter flexing their six-figure profits and thought, whoa, I'm in the wrong job? Yeah, we all thought the same thing at some point in our life. But here's the thing, not everything you see is real. Today, we are diving into how much traders really make, exposing fake trading gurus, and showing you realistic trading rules and principles that actually works. So, buckle up. Quick pause. I just want to mention that the first chapter of our trading course is completely free. No login, no email, no credit card needed. Just visit learnthestrategy.com/free and start learning right away. The course has over 60 episodes and took us 4 years to create. It explains my personal strategy that is built around just 4 main indicators and some key chart patterns. If you are interested, check it out. If not, no worries, just enjoy the rest of this video. Alright, while I was searching for the term trading on YouTube, I stumbled upon some live trading videos, or at least that's what they pretend to be. At first, it looked super impressive. People making thousands of dollars live on Codex, but something just felt off. So I decided to dig deeper, and trust me, you will never see these videos the same way again. If you, for example, search the term Codex trading, you will see hundreds of videos all following the same script. A Western European accent, high quality editing, and the most important thing is a link to their Telegram channel where they promise signals. But guess what? It's all smoke and mirrors. In this video, I will break down the tricks they use to fake live trading and how you can spot the red flags. If you look closely to this kind of videos, the first thing you will notice is the random indicators. Notice this. They are randomly choosing indicators and entering random values, acting like it's all part of a strategy. But in reality, it's just for show. They are hoping you don't notice they have no clue what they are doing. The second red flag is the hidden trading history. If this is live and legit, why hide your trading history? Just leave it there. What are you afraid of? Real traders show their wins and losses, but these guys only show you the wins. The third red flag is the suspicious transitions. For example, here, the last trade ends at 8 minutes 44 seconds. And instead of continuing, we get a random transition. I tell you why. The next trade was a loss and they don't want you to see it. The fourth red flag, especially for Codex traders, no diamond badge. Here's a fun fact. If you're really making thousands of dollars, Codex gives you a diamond badge for top traders. So, notice anything missing? Yeah, where's the badge? And of course, if you watch this kind of videos, you can't ignore the bad acting. These guys sound like they are auditioning for a low-budget movie. I mean, who buys this stuff? So, to sum it up, random indicators, hidden trading history, suspicious skips and transitions, no diamond badge, and let's not forget, terrible acting. For example, this channel, they published over 200 videos. And if you watch them one by one, you will never find one with trading history enabled, simply because it's fake. So most of the social media traders will record hours of trading, but only post a few minutes where they got lucky. The losses get deleted faster than your browser history. Fake PNL screenshots are a thing. Some even go as far as editing videos to show fake balance increases. Twitter and Instagram are full of these flashy posts. And trust me, 90% of the time, if it looks too good to be true, it probably is. Now, let's get to the truth. How much do real traders make? Let's be realistic. It's not Lambos and private jets overnight. It takes time, skills, and discipline. Alright, let's break it down with a realistic example of a trading strategy. Say you have a strategy with 60% winning rate. Sounds good, right? But here's what that actually looks like. You trade with $1,000 and risk 1% per trade. 60% of the time you win $20 and 40% of the time you lose $10. Over 100 trades, your profit may be around $600. But that's not accounting for commissions, spreads, and oh yeah, the fact that not every month is the same. Some months you will lose. It's the long-term consistency that matters. Okay, so what does it really take to make it in trading? Let me break it down for you. The first thing you must focus on is education. You've got to learn the fundamentals. how markets work, risk management, and strategies that fit your style. The second thing you must have is patience. Forget get rich quick schemes. Trading is a grind. Take months or years of practice before you're consistently profitable. The third thing you must focus on is discipline. The markets don't care about your emotions. Stick to your plan or you will blow up your account. Yeah, this is the unglamorous side of trading no one shows you. But trust me, it's the real key to success. Why bigger accounts make bigger profits? Now, let's talk about why size matters in trading. The bigger your account, the more money you can make. Here is why. A $1,000 account risking 1% per trade, that's $10 per trade. But a $100,000 account risking 1% per trade, that's $1,000 per trade. It's simple math, but here's the catch. Bigger accounts also mean bigger losses if you're reckless. That's why scaling up your account responsibly is key. So, how much do traders make? It depends. Most professional traders aim for consistent growth, maybe 5 to 10% a month. It's not flashy, but it adds up over time. And that's the truth no one tells you. If you're thinking about trading, don't fall for the hype. Start small, focus on learning and build up over time. Trading isn't about flexing on social media. It's about building a skill that can change your life. If there is one thing you take away from this video, let it be this. The only person you should follow to open and close your trades is you. You've spent time learning the markets, studying strategies, and practicing your skills. That's your edge. No one else can see the market exactly the way you do. When you follow someone else's signals or advice, you're giving up control of your decisions. And let me tell you, that's the quickest way to lose money. Also, stick to your strategy. Here's the hard truth. No strategy is perfect. Even the best strategies will have losing trades, but consistency is key. If you've tested your strategy and you know it works, then stick to it. Don't chase signals or jump ship the moment things don't go your way. Trading is about discipline, stay in control, and over time, your strategy will pay off. I've spent more than 7 years trading, and trust me when I tell you that I've never followed a signal from somebody else and it worked for me. So, never ever buy signals. Let me make this clear. Anyone selling you trading signals is a scammer. They'll promise you easy profits, send you screenshots of perfect trades, and sell you a dream. Signals are designed to make them money, not you. You will end up blindly following their trades, losing money, and wondering what went wrong. So if someone says they have the secret to guarantee profits, run the other way. There is no such thing in trading. At the end of the day, the most successful traders aren't the ones chasing signals or gambling with high leverage. They are the ones who trust themselves, trade based on their own knowledge, and stick to a proven strategy. No one else can trade for you. And the only way to succeed in the markets is to take full responsibility for your decisions. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.